Hey guys, today we'll look at another method of tuple, which is the max method. Now, what max method does is it returns the elements from the tuple with maximum value. Yeah, so it provides the elements which has maximum values. So finding the maximum of two given numbers is one of the usual calculation we perform. So in general, max is an operation where we find the largest value among the given values. Yes. So let's first understand the syntax and we'll try to understand what max does with the help of an example. So the syntax is max and the tuple name. Yeah. So tuple is a variable where you have to provide we have to get from where we have to get the max value from. Yeah. So let's start with a quick example where we have multiple elements. So let's take the example that we had earlier. So if I want to find the max of this two tuples, so I'll say max, yeah, max of tuple 1 and max of tuple 2. Yeah, let's see what is the max number. Yeah, so the maximum number available in tuple 1 is 5 and in tuple 2 is 14. So you do not need to have everything in the same order. Suppose I have 88 here. So it will give me the tuple 88. Tuple element, sorry. Yeah. So what it does, it scans the entire tuple, yeah, and gives you the maximum value from it. Suppose I have the same example if I have alphabets. So suppose I have A, B, Z, uh, X, R. Yeah. And we have some names. So I have XYZ. I have name as ABC, or I have name as anything, village. Yeah. So let's see what it gives as an output if the tuples are string. So you see this. So Z is the maximum value here, and XYZ is the maximum value depending on where it starts. So A, N, and then you have X. So XYZ is the maximum value here. Yeah. So both the examples where we have seen the method performs alphabetical comparison on the string elements in the tuple, and in the number element, it finds out the maximum value. Yeah. Or the largest element in the tuple. Yeah. Now, let us find some maximum number in a tuple containing all numbers in all numbers. Yeah. So we have seen this quick example with max method with all numbers. Yeah. And example of max method with all strings or alphabets. Yes. So we have seen both the examples. where we took one alphabet as one tuple as number and other as alphabet. Now suppose you have multiple variations of strings. Suppose a tuple contains equal length elements, yeah, but the elements among the tuple are of different case. So let me give you an example. This is usually called a lexicographical elements. So finding max in lexicographical elements. Yes. When I'm saying that, suppose I have tuple 1 that has values such as cat. I have the same as cat. Yeah. I can have cat this way as well. I can have cat this way as well. Yeah. And I can have cat this way. Yes. So it will find the lexicographical elements within this, and it will give you the maximum of the lexicographical elements. Yeah. So let's see what it finds. The maximum max. So it's a smaller value that has the maximum weightage. Yeah. So it finds out lexicographically largest element and it gives you the largest value. Yes. Now let's consider some real-time scenarios where the method might come in handy. Now we are creating two tuples. Suppose I have two tuples. Let's real-time example. Suppose I have two tuples with the tuple name student. Yeah, student tuple which has names of the student. So suppose I have Nilesh, I have Rajesh, I have Alka, I have Sam, I have Pawan. Yeah, these are various students within a tuple, and they have their marks. So I have their cumulative marks, suppose, as 768 of Nilesh, for Nilesh, 982 for Rajesh, uh, 876 for Alka, 640 for Sam, and 724 for Pawan. Yeah. Now I want to rank them. Yeah. Equal to max of marks. Yes. So rank would be the max. Rank 1 would be the max of marks. So whoever have got maximum marks would be rank 1. Now name of that person or the student who have got maximum marks would be equal to marks dot index. I need to find out the index of rank 1. Yeah. If you remember the index method that we used earlier in our videos. So what we have done is I'll say student name ID, yeah, with rank first with how many marks? That was rank 1. Yeah. Let me explain you the code, then you'll understand it properly. Yeah. So what we have done is we have the student's name, and subsequently in relation to it, I have the marks of the students as per the names which have been plotted. Yeah. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to find the max of this particular marks. So the max of the marks is 982. So rank 1 will store the value as 982. Yeah. So let me run this. I'll show you ranks. Okay, I need to add a comma here. Let me run this. So what max of marks does is it stores the number of marks in rank 1. Yeah. Now what I have to do, marks.index, it finds the first occurrence of 982. Yeah, in the marks. So 982, the first occurrence is element number, the index number is 1. Yeah. Then which it stores in name ID. So the index is taken using this formula, which is the index 1. Now this index 1 is searched in student tuple with the index 1. Since we have name ID which had the index 1, so student 1 is Rajesh. So accordingly, the statement comes Rajesh ranks first with 982 marks, yeah, in his particular class. So this is one of the real-time example that you can see and how it is being used to get a particular value from a database or a set of data that you have. Hope you understood how you can use max method for your data analysis. Hope you have liked this video and the examples within it. Do like, share this video with your friends who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any suggestions on the examples, or if you want to share some feedback, or your or any kind of additional information you want to share with the viewers of the video. Do subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos at your automatically in your inbox. Thank you so much.